Welcome back to Vintage Farmhouse, and as I progress through this stack of platters we're listing this morning, I'm having to move the camera and video further and further away as they get larger. This is the 16.25 inch Ashworth's 9178 pattern platter, sometimes referred to as Chaffinch after this little fellow with his beautifully plumped up and pink painted breast. Classic Ashworth stroke Mason's colour palette and decoration on this. We think this one's probably quite early, 1861 through to around 1890. Hasn't got an England mark on the china or factory stamp, so suggests it's pre-1891. In really nice condition. There are some condition notes we're going to discuss with you on this, but let's just show you over the surface. A little bit of fine glaze crazing with some staining on the surface here, as you can see. If I bring it close in, brings that into detail. Not too bad and well distributed, so it's classic sort of aging phenomena with early Ashworths and Masons pieces. We do have a little bit of wear on the enamels here. This is just palpable wear where the enamel's just worn away ever so slightly, but again, overall, for its age, not bad, and you do forgive them some of these little aging related condition notes. Ahsworth Brothers, Hanley, brown crown and banner marks. We've also got the B9178 decorators marks in orange. Right pattern on the base with some wear marks around here. Again, fine glaze crazing with just a little tad of staining, but nothing too bad. Has this one been in a wire rack for display? Not that we can see any marks around the rims to indicate that, to be honest. Perhaps there may have been in at one stage, but it's certainly not worn away. It's more a firing thing than a wire rack related issue. It's a gorgeous, great big piece of English ironstone china, beautifully decorated. Just look at the shine on that glaze. If I can, let me just see if I can get it to there. Look, just look at that. It's a very, very clean surface considering its age. That's a good thing, not a bad thing. I'm not suggesting this is a reproduction in any shape or form. This is a genuine piece of early Ashworth ironstone china, pattern 9178, sometimes referred to as Chaffinch, in beautiful condition. Has got some age-related condition notes on there. It's not absolutely perfect or mint. We have got the big brother to this one coming through, which is absolutely stunning, and condition-wise is one of the finest pieces of ironstone we've seen from this age. But this one's not that expensive considering its provenance and its age and condition. So we have got a whole range as well of graduated platters, some with Ashworth's marks on them from the 19th century, some with Mason's mark from the very early 20th century, all in the same design and coming out of the same factory. So do have a browse through on Ashworth's or Mason's 9178. And that should pull all the pieces from the large dinner set that we're currently working our way through and gradually adding to the Vintage and Antiques website. Link, as always, in the description below should take you through to the listing for this platter, and thanks for watching.